be near Silver Lake around 3:25 p.m., Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, and Eagle Lake around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kansas. National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Union Grove, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, West Allis, Wauwatosa, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Sturdivant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, West Milwaukee, and Paddock Lake. People attending the Bristol Renaissance Fair should seek safe shelter immediately.